According to Benjamin Alessio, an undergraduate researcher in the Department of Chemical and Biological Engineering, many biological inquiries share a common theme of exploring how complex patterns and shapes develop from a spherical cluster of cells. The study employs a basic physical and chemical mechanism to account for a complex biological phenomenon. Plants play a crucial role in ecosystems, serving as a foundation and contributing to human well-being by providing resources such as food and medicine. In order to gain a deeper understanding of how plants can adapt and remain resilient in the face of challenges like climate change, scientists have developed an innovative mathematical model.
Severe inflammation in early childhood is a clinically known risk factor for developing autism and schizophrenia. Now, for the first time, scientists from the University of Maryland School of Medicine, UMSOM, have discovered that inflammation alters the development of vulnerable brain cells, and this could have mechanistic links to neurodevelopmental disorders.
The European starling is known for its impressive vocal abilities. These versatile songbirds have the ability to learn a wide range of warbles, whistles, calls, and songs throughout their lives, making them one of the most advanced avian vocal learners. A recent study published in Science has discovered that starlings also excel in problem-solving tasks.
High-tech prosthetics allow amputees to engage more fully in everyday life, even to compete in sporting events. Researchers have demonstrated how brain activity is used to identify different terrains, level ground, and stairs. For example, a key step in developing prosthetics that allow the user's prosthesis to automatically adjust to changing ground conditions in real time.
In the 1980s, geophysicists made a startling discovery. Two continent-sized blobs of unusual material were found deep near the center of the Earth, one beneath the African continent and one beneath the Pacific Ocean. Each blob is twice the size of the Moon and likely composed of different proportions of elements than the mantle surrounding it.
Every time I close my eyes, a recurring dream haunts me without fail. I find myself in a mysterious forest, where towering trees rustle with every whisper of the wind. I walk along an endless path, desperately searching for an exit that eludes me. Each time I wake, a sense of unease and confusion lingers.
Internal combustion engine enables the driver to decide which source of power is appropriate for the travel requirements of a given journey. Major U.S. auto manufacturers are now developing feasible hybrid electric vehicles, and some are exploring fuel cell technology for their electric cars.
Your body is at war. Your immune system is in endless battle against a host of enemies, including bacteria, viruses, parasites, and more often than you would like or are aware, cancer cells. Thankfully, your white blood cells are cutthroat killer cells, patrolling the body, ready to engulf, entrap, or dissolve unwanted visitors.
Maintaining a consistent sleep schedule is crucial for a good night's sleep in autumn, when daylight hours are shorter and the body's internal clock can be disrupted. Going to bed and waking up at the same time each day helps regulate your circadian rhythm, allowing your body to anticipate when it's time to sleep and when it's time to wake, promoting deeper and more restful sleep.